What that man say?
$200.
For free for me.
Hello. Here's the after.
I'm just saying, this wife will see.
Shade, like no shade at all, but it's a bit weird. Hey y'all, I'm at home with me, Madre, and we're washing the house. Take a look, take a look, take a look.
What that man say?
$200.
For free for me.
Hello. We're out here putting in that work. we had a plan, and now we executing it. Took a little minute to figure out, but we got it. Looking real good. I'll show y'all some of the. Okay. Hopefully y'all can see this compared to that. Yeah. So yeah, I might set y'all up. I don't know. Don't mind this. This is an impromptu vlog. I was thinking about vlogging last minute. Mama said you should vlog. She read my mind. So here we are. Here we are. This is currently this with the house. I only got a little bit. We doing good. We doing good out here. We doing good. It looks real good. Y'all, the mosquitoes biting my legs. It's been a good up until like sometime in May. It was a good 2 years of me not getting beat up by mosquitoes. Up until May. Oh, and today is June 2nd. Huh? You wish Brandon was here. Oh look, y'all, she done got up.
Oh my God, I'm getting out.
That's a work ethic right there. But yeah, I didn't do nothing today. This is pretty much all I'm doing. And I can do it.
Yeah.
I got maybe 2 videos to edit. And then that's it. Well, 3 now that I'm doing this one. But yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all in a bit.
Up here? On this white part? DeAndre, how we do? We did. I went for the pay that $200. I went for the pay $200. How much did that cost? Free. I'll try right there, up there. Right there. wiping his teeth. Child.
That ain't happening.
Yeah.
I'm over here focusing on that.
Oh, that's gonna look good too. Can you put the brush right there?
We can try. Yeah.
Okay.
Hey y'all. Yeah, my cousin just pulled up. That's so funny.
Get out the car, child. I'm gonna come to your house.
Hello.
I came to your house one day. I sat outside. I didn't know which one was your car. I knew it at the top, but I didn't know which one. This is washing machine.
Did you just spray her on her legs?
You want it?
Oh, no, I spray myself.
I ain't want to. Come about $200. I know we know.
Oh, with somebody to come out and do it?
I had asked him a long time ago, and I asked Kenny.
Does that mean I'm on my own? She just left me to go with my cousin in the house. I'm by myself. Y'all, I'm finna show y'all, okay? Uh-oh. I'm finna show y'all. I'm not trying to show y'all the other neighbors. I'm trying to show y'all my house. But we looking at this part right here, right? Hopefully the light not too bad. So this is what I've been cleaning up. And then down here, I don't know if y'all can see, but that's what we're working with. All the way up there. Let's try not to spray y'all. So the part that I already did. Now, what y'all think? I gotta know. And I don't want to do it no more because she done left me. And at this point, it looks so cool. It looks so cool, y'all. Spent the long 4 days in Raleigh. Now, got back last night. Been here the whole day. Now I go right back tomorrow. And then my grandma, she just asked me if I wanted to go on a trip with her. But I won't announce that until it's set in stone. If we do that, it might be a movie. I ain't gonna. See the difference? You need to hire me. I'm just playing. I could do this as a weekend job though. This is fun for me. Kind of therapeutic. So y'all, my cousin, she in the car, right? No shade to my cousin, no disrespect to my cousin. But yeah, I gotta let y'all know. But she didn't get out the car to speak at all. Mind you, I don't be seeing my cousins for real. Like, I see my cousins maybe every year, every 2 years. For real, like, I really don't be seeing these people. But if you come to my house, don't you think it be okay? No shade at all. But it's a bit weird. It's cool. She younger than me. But I'm to the point in my life now where the kids, they gotta speak to me. I can't do it. These mosquitoes trying to really end me, y'all. I was talking to my great grandma, my aunt, and my mama. These all just sitting in the kitchen, and I was saying that I need some of that Avon, that repellent Avon. Y'all know what I'm talking about? Cause that stuff was good, and it really didn't have the mosquitoes on your ass. I need that. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna try to, I don't know if I'm gonna finish this. I'm kind of bored now. But yeah, I'm gonna check in with y'all in a bit. Okay, y'all.
Wait about another minute or so. Anybody else jumping in?
I got done doing the house. My mama, she ended up talking to my cousins for a long time, and I done finished the Loretta on the house. So let me go out and show y'all. I'm finna show y'all. I forgot to do the after. So let me go outside and show y'all real quick.
Are you serious? What the heck?
Yeah, you're on, Avery.
Okay.
This is the end result. Here's the after. Okay, boom. Now we done. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it, y'all. That's it. I'm on a Zoom call with my coach and the team.
Nice forehead, Junior.
But yeah, y'all, I'm on a Zoom call with my team.
I was actually just talking about you the other day, Junior.
Why?
Oh, just and how you got your nickname.
Oh. You gonna tell everybody that?
I love it.
Okay, it's 7:42. The meeting is over with my coach. Got that squared away. Now I'm about to take a shower and edit. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all tap in with me. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm out. Bye.